And what's important is, right now, we cannot even implement 9344, the original law, which provides for the 15 years minimum. We are not implementing that correctly. We have not constructed the reformatory, bahay pag-asas, and houses to detain so-called 15-year-old violators of the law. Hindi pa natin na-implement, amyandahan na natin. Very clear, we are looking for a scapegoat, for an alibi for failure. Mapalpak tayo sa ating peace and order campaign. So instead of correcting, addressing the real issues, police corruption, police inefficiency, lack of enforcement effectivity, the criminal justice system is defective and also corrupt. Eh bakit yung mga bata ang ating bibig na sisina? Eh sinasabi ko, this is an alibi for failure of society and the government. Now we at Buhay Party List, we're committed, we will campaign all over the country to denounce this law.